Hey everyone, we're delving into Dyson's most recent invention today, the Dyson Wash G1. Dyson, which is well known for its unconventional designs, has joined the wet vacuum cleaner industry. However, is it too late or too little? The Dyson Wash G1 seems high-end at first look. Although the build quality is lacking, the metal tube and little LCD are visually striking. Unexpectedly, some components, including the tank fittings, feel flimsy for a name like Dyson, and the transition to cleaning mode makes an unpleasant crunch. The device itself and a cleaning station are included in the box. At first, there were worries that the station would leak water when self-cleaning, but Dyson's design completely eliminates this problem thanks to a rubber foundation for stability. Filling the 1-liter clean water tank is the simple first step in using the Dyson Wash G1, but doing so necessitates taking out the 800 milliliters dirty water tank separately. This initially sounded inconvenient, but it soon became evident that this design is useful because the filthy water tank is typically full when the pure water runs out. A considerate addition, transparent tanks make it simple for users to keep an eye on water levels. The most unexpected feature of the Dyson Wash G1? It doesn't have any suction. 4 counter-rotating rollers with an amazing density of 64,800 microfilaments per square centimeter are used instead. These rollers include 26 water holes for uniform surface moistening and good absorbency. The Dyson Wash G1 demonstrated exceptional efficacy in tests. It cleaned up ketchup stains in 12 passes and handled coffee spills with ease. Cleaning the edges left no residue, which was equally impressive. To ensure that unclean water is disposed of hygienically, large debris is filtered straight into a different container. In order to avoid excessive foaming during self-cleaning, Dyson cautions anyone considering utilizing cleaning products against adding them to the water tank. In order to prevent harming the internal workings of the gadget, users should also fill the tank with water that is below 40 degrees Celsius. The rollers are left immaculate by the self-cleaning mode, as demonstrated by striking before and after comparisons. But there's a catch. After cleaning, the rollers stay damp and need to be manually dried. This is a regrettable oversight, particularly because Dyson failed to incorporate a drying system or add additional rollers. The rollers can be cleaned thoroughly by running them through a gentle cycle in the dishwasher. Although the Dyson Wash G1 isn't made for carpets, this isn't always a bad thing. Suction-powered wet vacuum cleaners have the potential to trap debris inside the tube, which can encourage the growth of bacteria. This problem is avoided by the Dyson Wash G1, which places an emphasis on sanitary cleaning. The equipment, which weighs 4.9 kilos, is as effortless to use as smoothly operating an automobile. It is less adaptable than a conventional vacuum cleaner or mop, nevertheless, because of its size, which restricts access to confined areas. In summary, the Dyson Wash G1 isn't a one-stop shop, although it does well in certain cleaning situations. A conventional vacuum cleaner can be a better option for houses with plenty of carpet. For those looking for hygienic and efficient surface cleaning equipment, the Dyson Wash G1 is an appealing choice. What are your thoughts on the Dyson Wash G1? Share them in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews. Have a nice day, and God bless you.